Hello, good evening, everyone. Today is Tuesday and it's April Fool. Happy April Fool! And it is my first time to comment on our CPO market in English version. So if my English is not good enough, hopefully you don't mind. So let's start now. What you actually see now is actually FCPO price chart in hourly chart, and what we have previously mentioned in our Mandarin commentary that actually we are expecting this is a wave 4 correction, and what is our correction is this one is actually wave 1, 2, 3, and this one is a 4. And from this wave 4, right, previously in our commentary we do mention that 61.8%, which is 2670, is our expected support. However, sadly it breaks straight away and keep on coming down and approaching our 78.6% at 2600, which is technically it should be a same support level because the high of the year. So if we are taking this one is a wave A and this one is wave B, and the whole stretch here is wave C, so we can actually do a projection, and you can actually see that the 100% projection is at 2600 sharp. So what happened is, if you keep on zoom in further, so assuming that this one is 1, 2, 3 and this one is a 4, so you will actually notice that 123.6%, which is almost the same at 2603 level. So formation of this cluster formation, right, we do expect that CPO might encounter some support and buying interest at this level of the price. However, if the price is well supported as here, so we are expecting wave 5 in our coming trading session, start from maybe next week. So please, hopefully that the price is support well, and if this is the case, then in my next commentary we will be discussing the strategy and actually how to capture the wave 5 using a calculated risk strategy, how to earn a maximum profit with the calculated risk that appear in our strategy, so that we can actually capture the 500 point range on the upside from this bull run. However, if assuming that my calculation is wrong, which is this one is not a wave 4, then taking consideration my calculation is wrong. So what happened is we go back to daily chart, and what we actually previously in our commentary we do mention that this is the uptrend channel, and in my last commentary that I do expect it will break down below this channel and form a new channel in the coming trading session. However, instead of this one is the wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm wrong in this part, so we will change our perspective. Is the whole stretch here is actually a completion of wave 1, and now it's actually wave 2. So from this wave 1 and wave 2, what we are looking at is actually support level at this range, and also this range seems to be very, very crucial, because if this is a major wave 2 correction, right, I'm aiming at 50% as 68.6% is the crucial support level for the bull run remain intact in our futures trading. If you put back the Fibonacci projection, right, so you also see a cluster formation at 50% and 261.1%, which is the same level over here. So hopefully that in the next coming trading session, the support level at 2600 is not break, then we will have a temporarily short-term bull run that we are expecting to be around 500 point range or more than that, and we can actually design a strategy to capture this short-term bull run. However, let's look at it on our short-term CPO price, and short-term CPO price that you're actually seeing now is actually on a 1 hour, but I'm going to change it to 5 minutes. So zoom into the 5 minutes and we'll examine what happened So this one is a wave A, B, and the whole stretch here is C. And just now we also do mention that this one is a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close these two, and we'll zoom in into a further wave count. And what we are having here now is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 4 extension. Further calculation, another 1, 2, 3, 4 hit here, and smallest 1, 2, 3, 4 it comes down. So what we do is we drag it down and compare it to the previous two support level, and you notice that the whole chunk here support that start from 2604, 2602 until 2600 is our support level, and this is should be a cluster formation that we hope that it won't break in the coming futures. So tomorrow we shall see what happened to FCPO price, and in the event that if the price fail to break 2600, then do expect my next commentary and how do we actually counter our CPO on a wave 5 projection upwards, and how do we actually design a calculated risk strategy to earn, we are talking about 5 times to 10 times profit based on how much capital that you put in a 500 point range. If you like our commentary, you can actually like and share our Facebook so that more and more people get to know about CPO trading. Thank you very much.